Your home's doors serve many important purposes. They provide security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal while acting as a functional gateway for your household. Over time, however, doors can wear out, become inefficient, or lose their visual appeal. Knowing when it's time to install a new door is key to maintaining your home's value, safety, and comfort. If you're a homeowner in Nampa, here are the most common signs it's time to consider a new door installation. Your door is visibly damaged. One of the most obvious signs that your door needs replacement is visible wear and tear. Over the years, exposure to Nampa's fluctuating weather conditions can take a toll on your doors, especially those made from wood. Look for these signs. Cracks or splits. Structural damage compromises your door's integrity, making it easier to break and less effective at providing security. Dents and warping. Dents weaken metal doors, while warping occurs when wood expands and contracts due to moisture. Peeling paint or rust. Not only does this make your door look unattractive, but it also leaves it vulnerable to further weather damage. A damaged door not only diminishes your home's curb appeal but also reduces its functionality and security, making replacement a smart choice. Drafts and energy inefficiency. If you feel a cold breeze coming from your door during Nampa's winter months or excessive heat during the summer, it's a sign that your door is no longer energy efficient. Gaps, worn-out weatherstripping, or poor insulation allow air to leak in and out of your home. New doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like insulated cores, tight weather seals, and advanced materials help keep outdoor temperatures where they belong, outside. Replacing your old door with an energy-efficient model can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs while enhancing indoor comfort. Difficulty opening or closing the door. A door that sticks, jams, or refuses to close properly is a clear indication that something is wrong. This issue can result from warped or swollen wood due to moisture damage, a misaligned or sagging door frame, damaged hinges or hardware. Not only is a malfunctioning door inconvenient, but it can also pose a safety risk. A door that doesn't close securely could allow intruders easy access to your home. A new door installation ensures smooth operation and improved security. Noise and lack of insulation. If outside noise seems louder than usual, your door may not be providing adequate sound insulation. Older doors, especially those with hollow cores or single-pane glass, allow noise from traffic, neighbors, or construction to filter into your home. Modern doors feature improved insulation and soundproofing materials that reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This is especially beneficial for homeowners in busy neighborhoods or near high-traffic areas in Nampa. Outdated appearance. An outdated or worn-out door can drag down the entire look of your home's exterior. Since the front door is one of the first things guests and potential buyers notice, replacing it can make a big difference in your home's curb appeal. Today's doors come in a wide range of styles, colors, and materials to match any architectural design. Whether you prefer the modern elegance of a fiberglass door, the classic charm of a wood door, or the durability of a steel option, a new door installation can refresh your home's appearance and boost its value. Your door lacks modern security features. Your door is a critical component of your home's security system. If it lacks the strength or features to keep your family safe, it's time for an upgrade. Modern doors are equipped with advanced security features, including multi-point locking systems, reinforced steel frames, impact-resistant materials. Installing a new, secure door will provide greater protection against intruders and peace of mind for you and your family. Excess moisture or water damage. Doors that show signs of water damage, such as swelling, mold, or soft spots, are no longer reliable. This is especially common in older wood doors that have been exposed to Nampa's rain and snow. Water damage weakens the door's structure, allowing drafts and moisture to enter your home. Replacing it with a water-resistant material, such as fiberglass or steel, ensures durability and long-term performance in all weather conditions. Upgrade your Nampa home with a new door installation. And a new door is more than just an upgrade. It's an investment in your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to consider replacing your old door with a modern, high-performing option. Professional door installation ensures a perfect fit, smooth operation, and lasting results. Whether you're looking for a stylish front entry door, a secure patio door, or an energy-efficient option for your home, investing in a new door can make a world of difference. Contact a trusted door installation professional in Nampa to explore your options and enjoy the benefits of a beautiful, functional, and secure new door for years to come.